Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Alan here with the Contractor License School in Lake Elsinore. Mira, mi gente, mi pueblo, mi raza, estamos aquí para ayudarte. Hablamos español. Basically, I just said, hey, we're here, we speak Spanish, and this video is a how to get your contractor's license in Lake Elsinore, end of the year special for 2025. We want to make sure you're getting in and getting a good deal, right? Now, of course, I'm going to talk about this special for a minute, and then I'm going to talk to you about the basic requirements you need to know about getting your license. But first of all, you can always come by and get this pamphlet. We're right there. We have an online office right there across the street from the Home Depot. You could see us there online, but we're an online school there, but you could also pop into our school anytime over in Temecula and or in Corona, and you can even attend class there and go from there. We'll walk through the details on that. But in this pamphlet, it shows you all the licenses. We cover them all. There's like close to 60 of them, right? So roofing, general carpentry, general contractor, flooring, painting, everything you can imagine. It's all listed right here, okay? That's why I wanted to show you that. So this end of the year special, we're going to give you a great discount, right? And it's only lasts through November and December. It ends December 31st. The last second of December 31st, if you're not in, you turn into a pumpkin. Now, you might not turn into a pumpkin, but the special ends. And you're not going to get that discount. We're going to beat everybody's prices. This is going to be great, right? So if you see this video, bring this, mention it to us when you come in. Now, if you're so slammed, and that's a good thing, right? I hope you're so busy with projects right now that you're just rolling in the dough and cranking in money, right? That's a good thing. And you say, man, I really want to activate that special. I want to get in on that, but I just don't have time to jump into school November and December. That's okay. You know what? You can do this, right? You can just put a $200 deposit down that secures your price, and you can start in January, whether it's the 1st or the 15th of January. Come on in and get started, right? Get through the holidays. Why are we doing this? Why? Well, the first thing is we're very thankful. I'm reminded of Thanksgiving is coming up, and I'm just thankful to be alive. Our whole team is just so thankful to be alive, to breathe another breath every day. And one of my favorite holidays, I just love Christmas. I love the celebration. I love all that. It's just a happy time. And I just want to spread cheer and happiness and say an early Merry Christmas and just be a blessing to our community. Well, you're our neighbor, right? And we want to care for our neighbors. And so since you're there in Lake Elsinore, let's get you in. Let's get you licensed. Let's get you taken care of, right? And get you on the pathway to freedom, making your own, setting your own schedule, making your own amount of money, and establishing your own company, right? We help you with that. So let me go ahead and dive into the basic requirements. So the first thing is you got to get information. Well, we have that information. Give us a call. You can set up a Zoom meeting. You can come into our office in Temecula, Corona, meet with a teacher or sales rep. We got you back. Number two, you got to get into and find a good contracting school. Look, there are a lot of good schools out there. We don't believe in bashing everybody. We try to live a positive life. We just love life. We love people. So we don't ever want to do that. In fact, we don't even have negative things about any other schools. They're great. You can get licensed at any school you want. But why us? So I try to create what is called a blue ocean. What is that? It's just a fancy book that says, why you? For example, if you go to bid a job and 2 or 3 other people show up to bid that job that are doing the same project that you want to do, well, why you? Well, I mean, a person can say, well, hey, I'm honest. That client doesn't know you. And statistics show that when a person says they're honest, they're usually not, oddly enough, right? And so why you? Well, our why gives us your why. What do you mean? Well, when you join our school, we're going to create a video for you, a powerhouse, awesome, amazing video branded with your stuff on it so that when a client calls you up and say, hey, can you come bid my job on Friday at 9 a.m.? You're like, yeah. Would it be okay? I'm going to schedule you on my calendar. Can I send you over a video showing off our work? They're going to be like, well, yeah. Text that bad boy over to them. And guess what? When they get that, it's going to show off the magnificence of the quality of your work and the professionalism of your construction company. Guess what? No other construction company does that. Hardly any. It's so rare you probably never even saw anybody do that. But you're going to be able to do that. And here's the beautiful thing. When they see that, the chances of you landing that job, statistically, it's a proven fact, they shoot through the roof and people are going to hire you. Your biggest problem is now, how do you hire more people to handle all the work? Because you got money coming in hand over fist. You just got to keep up. And then you can come back and see us and we'll help you scale your business. But I say that we're creating your why because nobody else is doing that. The second thing is we created a website called Home Pro Works, and it competes against Angie's List. Hoteliers and restaurateurs sometimes will call us and ask for a contractor. We tell them to go there. They find you. We only allow people who went through our school to be listed there. You chose us. We chose you. The third thing, and finally, it's the curriculum. I rewrote the curriculum because I was an elementary school principal in Mexico por 5 años, for 5 years in Mexico, and an educator here in the United States for many years, and a contractor. So I wanted to write the best curriculum you possibly can to make people learn in an easy way. I can guarantee you there is no curriculum like ours. When you see it, you're going to see it is completely different than any other curriculum in the entire United States of America because we wrote it. So that's why you should pick our school. Now, a couple other things, state requirements. You do have to be over 18. You have to have a valid Social Security number or an ITIN number, and you have to have 4 years of experience in construction. If you got that, you're golden, right? Then there's the application. Well, the application can be really difficult. It's like over 30 pages with notes, but not for you. We're going to help you out. We could do this in our sleep. We just want you to focus on studying and preparing by taking our state simulated exams so you can pass the test with ease. We'll do the hard work of the other stuff, right? That's our way of taking care of you and making sure that you know that someone's in your corner and we got your back, right? Now, the one thing you will have to do is we are going to provide this document. It's called a Certificate of Work Experience. We hand that to you. You just need to get a contractor to sign off for you on that. If you want to fill that out, more power to you. We can help do that because, again, we know how to do that just perfect, right? Now, once that contractor or homeowner or foreman or supervisor or business associate fills that out, if you need more details, there's others that can sign off for you. Give us a call, right? Then you have them fill it, sign that, bring that in. We compile all that data and information, send it off to the state, and guess what? Boom, they receive it. They give you a letter back in the mail. It says, book your test date. You go to that website, book it, and you could book it one test at a time, both tests at a time. You could book them separately, a couple months apart, so you can study and prepare for one, then study and prepare for the other, because you're going to have to take the law and business test and the trade test. Each one's 125 questions. You have to pass with a 67 to 69%, and that means you only have to get a D-. Boom, right? You got this. You can miss up to 35 questions. That leads me to the final packet. Once you pass, you get a packet. Bring it to us if you need help. We're going to help you fill it out, send it off, and boom, they're going to give you your license in about 3 weeks, and you're golden. It is going to come with an asbestos workbook home study test you have to take. We already got the answer, so just text us and we'll send it to you. The final thing is the BAM, branding, advertising, and marketing. This is just a little piece of advice for growing your business, especially in Lake Elsinore. There's a lot of contractors there, and you're going to want to set yourself up for the future, right? So like, for example, our shirt says Contractor License School right there above the pocket, right? Well, you want to set up your website, your social media, your branding. You want to get listed in directories like Yelp. Did you know that there are like over 500 directories? Most people only know of Yelp. Well, when we take over your marketing, advertising, social media, or when you use us to help you at least establish a one-page website to get you going, we're going to help navigate that forward so that as you grow, that social media marketing and all that can grow with you and you can expand. Anyways, my name's Alan, and this has been an end of the year special for our Contractor License School in Lake Elsinore 2025. Come on in, we got your back. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.